Major noticeable progress has happened at the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster at Epcot. A Xandarian Starship, also known as a Star Blaster, has been mostly assembled in front of the attraction. This major showpiece will be the shining beacon for all who wish to ride along on this reverse launching roller coaster. Progress for this roller coaster has been harder to follow, with the majority of the work being done inside the massive blue box show building. Queue and pre-show work is being done in the former shell of the Energy Adventure attraction, but as most of this area is covered, it has been hard to gauge noticeable progress. It is easy to see why this Star Blaster Xandarian Starship has caught everyone's eye. When complete, it will be a replica of the hundreds of CGI ships seen in the first Guardians of the Galaxy movie. These ships interlocked with each other to create a mesh net to hold back Ronan the Accuser's flagship, the Dark Aster. Now, guests will be able to visit an otherworldly showcase and see what Xandar and the Guardians of the Galaxy have to offer on this high-speed thrill attraction. This area of Epcot, formerly Future World East, now known as World Discovery, is undergoing major changes. We have seen the new Space 220 restaurant open. In the future, the Play Pavilion will open with new exciting character offerings, dance parties, AC, relax zones, and more. And coming this summer, 2022, the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, one of the largest indoor roller coasters in the world, will debut.